Here is a Honda Accord, and that's the reverse light bulb. To access it, we have to open up the trunk, and now it's the exact same process for the left and right side. I'm just going to show you on the left side. We need to get this one clip out. For that, you will need a flathead screwdriver. Put it right over there and pull the middle part of the clip out. There you go. Once the middle part is out, just grab the clip and just get it out all the way, and now you will be able to pull back on this fabric layer, and right there is the bulb. Just grab it and twist it left, and it's loose and out it comes. Grab the bulb and pull it out straight. The bulb number is 921. Check the link in description to buy the new bulb from Amazon, and let's just push it back into the bulb holder to secure it. Now when you put it back in the light, you may have to do some twisting and turning because it may not just drop in right away. See, right now it's not sitting in properly. So you see this one tab, it needs to go in that slot there. So that way when you put it in, it just drops right in, and just like this. At this point you'll be able to twist your right to lock it, and you're done. Now this middle part of the clip has to be pulled out when you put it back in, or else it will not go back in. So let's just get in place, push it in, and then just push the middle part of the clip in to secure it and lock it in place. Let's try pulling this. This is good, and that's it. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.